What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live session. Today, I've reverted my computer. I do so much changing to this computer to get it to run this stream. Man, it's unbelievable. So I had rigged it one way, changed it for one day, and it burnt out. And I was like, oh well. So I changed everything back, and hopefully it holds up for the remainder of this session. I still am in my position from yesterday. I did not get a chance to look back at it. AEI was my position, but I'm just right now. I'm kind of just waiting to see. As long as it holds up the $5 level, I'm okay with that. Yeah, start a new day. Start a new day with a new name or the same name, the same wrong name. But anyway, yeah, I'm still holding that position AEI on the daily chart. I just wanted it to stay above the 5 and I'll be okay with that. Other than that, ALF just took off for some reason. Does not have any news on the day, just going up. It does have a nice little formation here, and it's up to the $9, so it's even above this right here. So definitely be careful on that one. Let's see. Intech is also coming up for some reason. Don't really see any cause for these moves, but I really want to see what my AEI shares do. If it can go back up a little bit, that'll be nice. It did kind of fade off, but it is working with Tesla, so I'm gonna continue to hold it. And I'm not gonna look to just dump it off that soon unless it goes under the $5 mark here. But I already have my stop out already, so if it goes down there, I'm out. Plus, so I have started working these contracts again, and now that I'm out of the house, I'm not sitting around, can't sit at the house all day. So I pretty much have to shut down at 10 a.m. my time, but it'll be 11 a.m. Eastern time, so I guess an hour ahead of me. But yeah, it'll be 11 o'clock here on the time when I shut down. So, plus, man, these contracts are a blessing, man. Boy, I tell you what, last year was rough. Thought I was gonna have to go illegal. Start selling things that are not godly. But anyway, this year's definitely changed, did a whole U-turn, so I'm enjoying life and enjoying working, I guess. Enjoying getting back to work. I guess you can call this work, but to me this is more like stress-free, relaxing meditation. Okay, A deal going down. ALF, don't really know what it wants to do. AEI diving down. We'll see. Maybe it holds that range, maybe it doesn't. But I do know I'm down 60 bucks on it, which is okay. As long as it stays above, do not crash below this. 4.99, the break of the 5 is where I'm trying to get out though. Intech still acting up, has not done any consolidation. So we have 3 movers today. None of them are obvious stocks, so we'll actually be patient and wait for them to become obvious stocks before we try to take trades on them. I'm not gonna rush it. I got 3,500 to trade today, and we're gonna play the game. Where is my where? Oh, there it is. And I also need some water. Oh, I got water. Alright, so yeah, that's gonna be the plan today. Wait for something to become obvious and then look to trade it. I'm not gonna jump into any of these though. ADL has been doing the top and tails all morning, so that's probably gonna be a chopper. Intake, let's see, on this candle it moved from the 402 up to the 453, then 440 up to the 516. Well, we will see. We will see. "15 minutes to the bell." About to get it in. Dang B, how was your day yesterday? I did not get to stick around for any trading, so really didn't see what happened yesterday. But did you get any trades yesterday? Maybe in the afternoon or the intraday? AL left getting a little bit of consolidation. Needs to hold up this level of the 918. Be nice right there. 918 level. This one has a bottom, I guess we could say the $5, not $5, 475-ish could be a spot to break. Nope, that's too far down. And it's really close to the $5. NTEC. NTEC. What am I missing? Yahoo. Okay. NTEC has no shelf registrations, anything. The float though, float is looking like 4.37, 4.69, 4.37, 4.69 mil. We'll save that. Oh, did not save that to the right place. Okay. Intech kind of looking goofy on the daily chart. Don't know if I really want to play that game today. It's up to the 507, right above this level here, so they can definitely become a very heavy short. VVPR is also up. Announces binding letter for intent of electric vehicle conversion partnership with Toyota. That could be interesting. Need to see some consolidation though before I go in head first. Look, all of them are lined up. None of them are becoming the stock of the day. Don't really know which one wants to be it. VVPR has very low volume. Let me go and research that VVPR. Okay, VVPR floats is 7.50. VVPR at Yahoo Finance, it says it's 5.6. So maybe 5 to 7. Has a shelf registration as well, so it may move a little wonky today. So 5 to 7 million. The shelf 2020. Intake I already looked up. ADIL, did I look that up yet? No. ADIL. ADIL also has a shelf registration for this year. Float is 15.25 million. At FinViz it says 14.75. So we add a note to that. 14.75 to 15 something with the shelf this year. We'll see how that acts up today. Alright, so we got two main stocks here, which I do not believe in. Definitely not Intech. My AEI shares are just going down with the wind, but I'm willing to hold until that 5 and I'm out. It's under the 15-minute 9 EMA, just not looking too good. Maybe it'll get a little bit of a push up, but I don't think it'll last. But we will see. I already got my stop out, so if it disappears up here, it's probably because I got stopped out at the 5. This one's looking mighty heavy. Needs to stay above this 494. Try the support in there, right there. Has AEI reached 500? Yeah, it did reach that. We'll see if it gets brought up above this level of the 580s. Oh, got about 6 minutes to the bell. I'm ready, man. Today I'm not really rushed. I know I got until 10, but not really rushed. Especially not as much as yesterday, because boy, this thing took like 30 minutes to get back up after that shutdown. Alright, so let's see. Intech kind of looks dangerous a little bit. It's getting a very tight range down here. Let's see if it comes down and tests the 5 again. Five minutes to the bell. Can't take any trades right now. See if it dives through that 5, or will it push higher? 509. Will it show us red here? Uh-oh, looks like people want to buy it. Very small push out there. Top side of this was the high of the 510. It's hitting the 510 right now. Let's see if it flashes red. Can they push it below the 507? $507 holding up. Gonna go ahead and get out of there. Looking for the 5.9s. Yep, going. Wow, could not break that 510 again, so it's definitely gonna flash red. Give us our red here. Who's ever at 507 is really holding this thing up, but I believe if it breaks that 507, it's going to be a nice little motion down for the shorts. On the 15-minute, it's still in a green setup though. Got to come down and break this $5 level for it to actually be weak. Looks like it wants to get through that 510 though. We see 509s on the tape. More 509s, a lot of action at the 509s. And there are the 8s again. Who's gonna be the obvious stock on the day? ADL is definitely not looking as good as AFL. We can watch AFL to see if it either fails or what it's going to do here. Can it hold up the 50s? Can we see the 51s? 48s? Do not see the 50s anymore. Wow. Wow, that was a... Wow, the short sat on that. Okay. Nice little bump down. Nothing really obvious as of now. Let's get rich, bro. Did you bring your diamond hands today? I got mine. Got my diamond hands ready to go. Ready to hit the buy button and let it go to the moon. One Life, I did actually end up holding AEI. I didn't get a chance to look back at it yesterday afternoon, so I didn't see it until the close. It did actually continue down, but I'll just stop out at the 5. If it breaks the $5, it's going back to the trash, the bottom of the trash can. So it's whatever. Still has good news. It's working with Tesla. I would love to see it hold up $5 though. All right, Intech did break both of our little barriers down here. We have about a minute left. None of these want to be the obvious stocks. All right. All right, we are opened up. AFL getting absolutely crazy. Doing too much to the green side. I believe it's going to get a nice little pull down here. AEI did dive down on me to $1.20 down. Let it play throughout the day, I guess. Let me see how much I'm down on AEI today. 16 bucks on that dive down. AFL looking like it wants to dive as well to the opposite side. A deal. Who's gonna be the obvious stock? I'm guessing it's gonna be ALF. This is the first 5 minutes. I'm gonna let this play out. I can't play with this. AEI did come back up quite a bit. What is it trying to do? Hopefully it holds within this range. That'll be sweet. So yeah, let's see what it does throughout the day. If it can start working its way up, that would be quite nice. It has a bottom here of the 567. Would love to see it back at the 612s. Anyway, back up to ALF. Looking for a little bit of a pullback. Wow, AEI almost got me back to 90 cents per share. That's nice. This thing's got to pull back. I do not want to buy after this extension like this. A deal getting hammered. ALF. I want to see some red here because I don't trust it. Can it hold up the 80s? Looking real heavy here. Breaking the 80s. Breaking down the 80s. Looking for some consolidation. Back over the 80s. Wow, this thing's pushing back up, huh? Sort of strong. I'm gonna wait till it finishes this move. I can't play this right now. It's getting a little jumpy too, man. What's up with that? Really jumpy. Trying to hold up that 10. Very sporadic movement across the 10. Yeah, not looking too good right here. ALF is the only stock that's holding the scanner. It's about to close this candle up in like 10 seconds. See if it traps a bunch of longs in here. Uh-oh. Will we see the fall here? Will we see the shorts win? 987 broke the VWAP right there, bounced off of it. Can it hold up the 87? Breaking down the 87 right there again. Very sporadic. Yeah, if it goes, it'll just go without me. I don't like this setup at all. It needs to give us some red. Very sporadic. I believe it may hold up, but I just don't have faith in it right now. Just not liking the movement of this stock. So sporadic. Yeah, this one's definitely a wild one. Look at that top and tail on the 15-minute. Nice top and tail there. AEI is just dumping, bro. As long as it stays above 5, I'm good. Alright, so it did actually go really red here. It's red on the day, jumped off of my scanner. Can it hold up the 922 level? Got a support level right across there that is very close on. Got another support level down here. Fubu is climbing every day, up, up, up and up. Fubu, let's go look at Fubu. Let's see what this guy's doing out here. Fubu. Yeah, Fubu is on a streak. Absolute tear. Oh, I know what I need to look at. The SPY is something I also need to look at. Did it continue gapping down? Nope, gap back up. I'm glad I took my profit because I traded this right here on the SPY, made profit on the downside, and then yeah, it looks like it's going back up. The SPY being the SPY only goes in one direction. So pretty much everything I was watching from the pre-market has failed. AFL may be coming back on the screener if it can stay green for like 15 seconds. But looks like it wants to take a dive. If it takes a dive, it's over. If it goes back red, it's got to hold up that 930. SPY looking like it wants to go higher. Where's the other one that I watch while I watch the SPY? Let me disconnect these real quick. Okay. And then VIX. VIXY. This is the one I profited on the last time the SPY dumped. Wow. So I got my profit out this day. Is this Friday? Yeah, this looks like Friday. This is when I took profit, and then the SPY shot back up and it dumped down. So I'm waiting for prices to come back down on this VIX and just play the SPY drops. All right. But as of now, it is not dropping. The only reason I traded it the other day was because it was like 4% down or 6% down, something like that. But as of now, things have popped off my scanner. AEI looks like it's leveling out. Let's see if we can find a new bottom down here. What's this bottom? The 575 area. Just does not look good for me. 15-minute chart. indecision candle. Can it stay above the 80s? Can it get back above the 80s? I don't know. See if it can get back above the 612s, I'll look to add. But other than that, I'll just, let it go. Y'all messed up the Fubo. We should have played it as a 6-month swing trade. JL would be disappointed. Is it still going up? Wow, AEI jumping back up there. Can we get back to the 612s? I want to hold that 612 level. Nice buy up there. Can it hold? $1.07 down. I'm not going to add to this position. It's just not a good position to add to. But I am looking for some movement up. Okay. Can it get back up above the $6 and start to hold? In the low 20s. Jeez, wait. Let me look at this. In the low 20s. Oh, wow. Yeah. Yeah, so y'all had it down here on the daily chart, like right here, and y'all sold. Still, if you made money, sometimes you can't make a good guesstimate, but if you made money, hey. So let's see if we can hold up this 570 level. $570s. Oh, gotcha. Got 1 million shares traded on AEI. Let's see what it wants to do. Can we get back above that 612? Because that's where I'm looking to start adding. AUDD popping up there on low volume. What's the news? Major technology advancements in artificial intelligence with new audio content. Okay. Does that matter to me? Let me go look this up. AUDD. AUUD. AUUD. So it has a float of 7.84 million according to Finviz, 7.84 million according to Yahoo Finance. AUUD has no shelf registrations. So about 7.84. No shelves. We'll save that. All right. Still very low volume. Hadn't even reached 1 million shares traded yet. What's going down here on my AEI shares? Will they find a bottom somewhere down here? I don't know. It's got 87 cents until my stop out. $5.70. I may actually play a little bit smaller and say $5.50 would be the stop out, because $5.50 would just be a ridiculous amount of dropping. I don't know. All right, let's keep our eyes on the prize. Looking for a little bit of consolidation. Almost getting to 1 million shares traded on it. Pretty sure the shorts are going to jump on heavy. Kind of pausing right there at that 1 million shares. Buyers coming in there a little bit. Getting absolutely stomped by the shorts. Jan is also up on low volume. Let's look at Jan real quick. Jan selects regulatory partner for a phase 2B trial investigation plan. Is prepared for FDA filing. Okay. Did Jan just go into a halt? If it did, that is an untradable stock even out of the halt. Needs more volume behind it. I can go ahead and do my research though while we're waiting. JAN. Jan has 2.38 million in the float. According to FinViz, according to Yahoo, it has 2.38 million. JAN. JAN does have a shelf registration from 2020. 2.38 mil, shelf 2020. I want to see this thing cycle through its float at least once. So it needs to get it needs to get that. What was that float again? I literally just typed it in and forgot. 2.38 million is what I want to see in the in the volume before I even looked to trade it. AUUD pulling back a little bit. Nice topping tail. AEI, what are you doing, buddy? You're going the wrong way. All right, we'll watch Jan out of the open of its, see, AUUD, still up quite a bit, has not given any red. Jan, let me see what time that halted. Jan halted at 9:47:06 or 9:52, so it's halted twice. 9:52:46. So it should be opening up in 50 set on the 57.46. So we'll wait for that. AUUD needs to consolidate a little bit more. Watch this one come out of the halt real quick. See if it absolutely bombs. A deal back up there as well. A deal looking like it wants to take some souls here. I'll watch AUUD for, I mean not AU, Jan was the one. Should be opening up on the 46. 57.46. Let's see it. All right, here goes Jan's open in 6 seconds. Okay, big spike up and right back down. Didn't even open up at the same level. So I think this one can get some diving here. Nice scuba diving. That's what we are probably going to see. VWAP is at the 1030s. Nice top and tail there though. Okay, A deal still making its way up here as well. It's waiting for this candle to close. It's got 2 minutes left on that candle. It is holding up VWAP. AUUD. Jan looking like it went down there and tested VWAP. Low of the 40s. Don't like that at all. So A deal is looking like the only one right now. Waiting for this candle to close. One more minute on this candle. Super extended here. See if it breaks down to 50. $65s. Ooh, getting back down there. Bouncing off the 50 right there. AFL back on the scanner as well. We'll wait to see what that one can do. ADL will be popping off in a minute. Did it go that red? No. What's it talking about? It's still green. Okay. AUDD. That's out. Alright, so it did hold up. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. Let's see how much of a pullback we can get here. How much of a pullback can you give us? VWAP is at the 48, so it does not need to break the 50 here. Tap the 50, trying to hold above it. Very spiky stock. Okay. AFL is also going up. Need to see a pullback here. AFL is the top dog right now. I'm not willing to buy it yet. You would have had to buy it over down here in the dip for it to be profitable, but I'm not willing right now. See if it can break that top. There's the break of the top. See how much it pulls down. Just want to see a pullback now. Trying to get to the 50 and 54. I like it. If it pulls back, you know, I may be in this thing. Wow. Yeah. It's very extended right now. It's going to have to give a pullback. I can't play this. Oh my gosh. Into a halt. Into a halt. So now, this is what I want to see. Went into a halt. Let's get ready to go. AEI still diving down on me down here. We'll see if it opens up higher. AEI, man, just gonna go ahead and stop me out, but as long as it stays above the 5, I'll be okay. ADL, very spiky stock. So AFL is the #1 stock on the morning. Let's look at the halts time. AFL halted at 10:01:56. Let me refresh that page to make sure that is correct. Yes, 10:01:56. So it should be opening up at the 10:06:56. I will definitely be looking for this one. Definitely. Matter of fact, let me go and use the restroom because I'm feeling excited. All right, we are back. We are back. AEI. Oh yeah, I see that too, Daniel B. The only problem is ALF has no current shelf registrations. So I feel very confident in trading this stock to the highs. So we will see what it can give us. If it opens up a lot higher, that's going to be great. Let it pull back a lot. For this quick open. What was the time again? 10:07, 10:07:50. Let's see what we can get here. Where's the daily highs on AFL? Oh, it's at the highs. Okay, never mind. All right, so it has open skies to the top. Open skies. Actually, no, it'd be 10:06:50, wouldn't it? Yeah, 10:06. So it's opening up in just a couple of seconds. 10:06:50 is where I should be looking for this dip. Couple of seconds left. Getting ready for it. Maybe there is one more minute. Oh, nope. There's a dip. Bought on the rip. Let's see if we get the rip. I'm going to let it dip down a little bit. I am willing to add to this. There we go. Add it right there a little bit. Looking for it to continue higher. I like it. 100 shares in. Let's see what it can give us. Can we start touching the highs here? Elevens coming up there. What's the bottom of this? The low is a 956. Shorts jumping in there as well. See if it can give us any more dip down. Nope. About to go. Alright, so this bottom is the low of the 1053. 1053, there's our shootout a little bit. Like it. See if we can get any more continuation here. Maybe into another halt. Can we touch the 1150s? Let's see. The low here is a 1053. Can we get any more push out above the 11? Need to see the 25 break. 1125 needs to break here. What? Did we just get halted? Oh. Okay. The low of this is the 1053s, 1054s. Still well above VWAP. VWAP is a 1002, so a $10 breakdown, I'll be out. See if it can hold up here. Consolidate for a higher move. Needs to start holding that 75. There's a 75 right there. Can we see that 75 hold? If so, I will add. 75's holding. Ooh, I'm not gonna add to this. A little bit too fast, too much, too fast. All right, new low is this thing right here. It's 1060. 1060. Okay, start taking a bit of profit off of this one. Don't know if it can push to the 50s. Maybe. If it pushes to the 50s, I'll take. Okay, nice. Taking a little bit. Oh, it missed me. There it is. There's my sell. Okay, to the 60s, taking. Looking a little weak there. 60s, 70s, taking. Dropping down a little bit. Okay, 75 shares left. We'll be out at the low of this 1060, 1059. What's the break even? 1094. Okay. Can we get to the 50s again? 50s right there. Taking off. 50s. Can we hold the 50s? Looking a little weak right there at the 50s. 65 shares left. Taking. Dropping back into the 50s. Taking. Can we get the 70s? Can we get it? Okay, dropping back a little bit, taking profit. 80s, very quickly taking profit. Taking profit right there, looking for the break into the 12s. Break down, okay. Taking a little bit there, another fake at the 12s. Holding 30 shares. Okay, taking a little bit there. 1150 would be my all out. 1150. Let's see if we can get those 12s in there. If not, we'll sell the rest of this at 1150 break. Okay. Oh, we can't use stop orders on this stop. Never mind. If it breaks the 80s, I'll be taking. There it is, taking right there. 25 shares left. Looking like it's a little weak, jumping back up there to the 75s. 20 shares left. Taking right there. Can it hold up the 75s? Nope, 60s right there. See if we can get back over. If we break the 50s, I'm all out. There it is, all out. All right, nice. So at least I recovered my loss from this AEI move. Up 40 bucks. Definitely recovered that loss. I may actually now, that was 99 cents per share or whatever. I may actually look for consolidation and look to exit this position here. Because why hold it, right? Or I may just follow my plan since I already made the money. Anyway, let's continue watching, waiting, wondering if this thing can go higher. All right, I'll play small up here. 65s, let's look for a little dip. A little dip by here. Okay, there's a little bit of a dip. Can it hold up the 50s? Nope. Can it hold up the 25s? Okay. Looking for the 25s here. Playing small now that I got profit in hand. Okay, not giving me what I'm looking for. I'm gonna wait for consolidation here. It's red on the 15 and the 5, so I'm dodging this one. AUD, still low volume, has not completed that cycle through that 7 million yet, so I'm not even interested. ALF, still interested though. I want to see this candle close. Like for it to close low. We have about four or 5 minutes left on this one. I did recap this loss right here on AEI. I was down like 50 bucks or something like that, but green on the day. I may close that position. I don't know if I want to close it though. I'm really on the fence with AEI. As long as it can stay above that $5 mark. AUUD, it's going to have to get more volume. Let's see if we can get a retry here. Can it hold up the 25s? I want to start seeing it hold that 25 level. Wow, getting up to the 50s. It's okay though. I want to see this whole candle close. It's got 2 minutes left on this candle, or 3 minutes left on this candle. Not interested yet. Ooh, still not interested. This may be a fake. It's getting all this buying pressure, but the sellers are still on top. See if it breaks down to 50. Nope. Will it break down to 50 here? Oh, it's gonna go. Looks like it's gonna go. I play small. Play small up here. Got in very small share size. I'll take off the top. Let's get that punch out, boy. All it needs to do is just stay above this low of the 1114. Or I don't know. I may. Oh, there we go. Can we get the pump through there? Can we get back into the 90s? Okay, I'm taking a little bit of profit there. Taking profit there as well. If it shows me any red, I'm all out. It's looking very weak here. There we go. Taking profit up there. Oh boy. Not holding the 90s. Taking. Got one share left. I'll be out. I don't like it. Let's see if we can take some more. Nope. All out right there. Not gonna do that to me. So that was a little bit of a fake, which is why I played smaller here. We'll just wait then. Let's see if it gives us some red finally. There's the red. Can it close this candle red? AUDD. Getting more and more love down here, but it's okay. I don't really like it. It's not as volatile, only moving a couple of cents per second. Okay, here's another dip. Can we start to hold over this 50? This is the 68 there. Okay. Will it stay above this 1113? This may be a dead cat, like a miniature dead cat bounce, so I'm definitely not going to try on this one. Let's see, boys. Let's see. Will it break down at 1113? Got a full 4 minutes left. I'll wait. Take my hands off the buy button. My diamond hands are ready, boy. Do not want this one. If it goes, it'll just go without me here. It's looking like it is a fake. Let's see if we can get some more red here. Will it hold up to 50? I'm gonna let this candle close and let it give us a new entry point. They just hit the high of the 1167. I'll be playing small from now in though. See if it can pull back some. Whoa. Whoa. All right. 1 minute left on this candle. Breaking down that previous support right there. See if we can start holding back above it these next couple of minutes. Bro, what is going on with AEI? Is it still dumping? Jesus Christ. Help us. Help us. Alright, yeah, it's still dumping. Like I said, as long as it holds that 5, I'm okay with it dumping. Okay, ALF is now, let's see, what else is up here as well. AUD. Looking like it's getting a little bit volatile, but only moving a couple of cents. We'll look at that one after ALF fails. What is this? High is the 46. It's like they turned off the level 2. Like literally I have these two popping up and nothing else. But if I go over here to like AUDD, I see my whole level 2. They know what they're doing. Alright, let's get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Giving us an entry at, what's the high of the 55? You want to see the 55s up here. This one's got a while to go before it's closing this candle. But it's got to close it green. Whatever it does, it needs to close green. Three minutes left on this candle. Hopefully it doesn't push too far too fast, because that's not going to be a good sign. Come on, just hold it down for just a little bit. Entry at the 58. So I'll be looking for the 61, but it needs to slow down. Needs to slow down here. Uh-oh. Going up a little bit fast. We did break. The new entry is the 75. Let's see if it rejects off that 75. Okay. Waiting for this candle to close. 2 minutes left. If it goes, it'll just go without me. Oh, all of the level 2 just popped back in. Ain't that something? Oh, 75 again. Waiting for this candle to close. Looking for the 81 on the bid when this candle closes. $30 seconds left. Can we get that nice 81 move? $15 seconds left. $5 seconds left. Looking for the 81 to try. Ooh, bouncing down quite a bit there. Don't know if it can get the 81. Looks like it wants to go and test the bottom of the C. Yep. All right, nice. So that was a good call. Good call, good call. See, the low of this one was the 11. It's trying to hold up the 11 right now. So that's the support. Let me go look at AUUD. Ooh, AUUD looking hungry right there. It only went out just a little bit though. From the 50s up to the 80s, 70s. Not looking like something I want to be jumping in. AFL giving a nice bottom scrub. So yeah, staying out of that one. This one breaking down VWAP. Did not reach its it didn't even cycle through its float once. So let me go look at AEI, my dying stock down here. Absolute death. See, the only reason that I have AEI right now is because my computer overheated and went off during a trade. And so I was like, you know what? Just gonna hold it. Has good news anyway. I'm just gonna hold it. And this thing, boy, is trying to scuba dive me out of it. It's got 2 million shares traded on the day. Would love to see it back above 612, but that is a lot of work. AU, what are you doing now, buddy? I like it. I'll play it. Let's see, what's this? 71. I can take a quick little, oh my gosh, it might go without me. Yep. 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 I'm not going to worry about that one. Very weak movement. ALF still is a top mover on the day. Holding up that 9 EMA right there. How far can it get back above the 11s? We have a little bit of support at the 1103 that's trying to hold up. Right here. AEI has to retest and fill the gap. What it does after is the key area to watch. Yeah, it's actually coming back up right now that you say that. I don't know if Daniel B is doing his hoodoo, but appreciate it. Anyway, AUDD, I may take a quick scalp off of it. It's holding up that 70 level. Want to see it back above that 75. Want to see 75 on the bid. May play it small. I don't want to get hurt here. 75s. Can we see 76s? Yep. Just in small right there. I'll take quick profits off the top. Just scalp it. Shows me any red, I'm out. Any red at all. And I'm out right there. Don't even care if it goes back green. I don't like that weakness. It's below yesterday's closing price. Let me go look at what the closing price was. Closing price, yes, down there, but my logic is, look, it's not trash until it's under the $5. If it goes back under the $5, I know the shorts have completely taken it over and it's no hope. But above the 5, I'm like, you know, it still has potential. So we'll see what that does for me. Believing in potential. Okay, ALF did pull back above this level. Let's see, where is the entry point? This guy is 1130, 1150. All right, let's be patient. This one's got a whole 4 minutes left on this candle, so I'm not interested in buying right now. Even if it goes, not interested. Very small little breakout right there. Let's see how far it pulls back, or if it pulls back at all. Will it break the 40s? Can we see the 30? Yeah, there we go. All right, waiting for better entry points now. But it did pull way back off of this level here of the 11s. So that's a nice sign. We'll see if it can hold that 38 up here once this candle begins to close. I want to see the close above the 38s. Three minutes left on it. Wow, AEI is really working its little way up, isn't it? Hey, One Life might have been a little bit right about AEI. Maybe it has some upward potential yet. Especially if it can start holding that VWAP. But right now, VWAP is starting to absolutely punish it. AUDD, glad that I took the profit where I did. I don't know which candle that was on, but yeah, glad I got out. I didn't take profit, but I got out. Little bit of time left. I want to see it close above the 38 here. Struggling with that 38. Okay, I like it. I likes it. 2 minutes left on this candle. I really like it. Gotta close above that 40 though. That 40 is something serious for it, I guess. All right, we got a couple minutes left on it. Still getting some nice fakes. Can it hold the 50? Will it come back down through the 50? Okay. Showing a little strength above this thing. Little bit of strength. Needs to close above the 38s though. 50 seconds left. Getting on down there, isn't it? Can we close above the 38s? Okay, I like it. It's got about 30 seconds left to figure out what it wants to do. Will it close above the 38s? Yeah. Ooh, 39 right there. Very close to breaking 38. 5 seconds left. New entry is the 1160. 1160. If it can dip down and show us red, that would be great as well. Okay, take a little bit there. See how high that goes. I'll add it to 75 if I see the 75s here. Ooh, never mind. Too fast. Nice little dips. Wow. Well, I'm in small, but okay, there's a little pullback. Added a little bit there. Let's see. Let's see if it can stay strong. If it shows me any red, I'm out. Okay, nice. Up to the 12. Can we break the 12s? Nice little pullback. Nice. Nice, nice. Feed me. Little pullback there. I'm gonna add a little bit there. All out will be this bottom low of the 1143. Start swiping off some here. If it gets back over the 12s, nice. Taking there. Can we get over the 12s? Taking a little bit there as well. Not leaving much on the table because I don't trust this one. Not holding the 12s. Needs to blast through the 12s. If we see this 1201, I'll take another bit off. 1204. Okay, yeah, that's all I wanted to see. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Take a little bit off through the top. Oh, I took more than I thought on that last one. All right, let's see if we can do the 1225s. Do like it. See if we can hold up that 1215. Add a little bit there. See if we can get through that 25. Come on, push through that 25. You got this, buddy. Below the 10. Oh, I was about to say below the 10s I'll get all out, but well. Okay, I'm gonna start taking some off through this top. Nice, nice. Needs to get through that 25. It got held up right there at the 25. If I see through the 25, I'm gonna take off quite a bit. Okay. Any red on this candle, I'm gonna have to get on out. Any red. 80s. Back into the 90s. Can we see it? Any red, and I'm out. This is a very small share size anyway. We'll see. Where is this supposed to hold up? 67. Yeah, I'm looking to get out. Looking to get out here. Nice topping tail. And can we hold the 75s here? Not holding. Alright, it's too low. Got out right there. Got out right there. Not even gonna play that game with it. All right, AUDD, AUUD, whatever. We're still good on the day. AEI down there recouping itself. Wanted to form a bottom, man. They can base out, that would be great. Oh, it is 9:44. I have 15 minutes left on the stream. I'm gonna have to get on now. Get on out of here. 15, 14. But this is a very volatile stock though, so be careful trying to trade it. I got in small and just took off the top, but definitely didn't risk all of my profit on the day. See how far it falls. Can it hold up this level of the 1140s right here? Okay, I like it. See if we can give us a little bit more red though. I'm not trusting this behind this this wick here. Been very heavy here. Want to see some red. Give us a new bottom. We want to see the bottom go before this 1073. So we want to see this bottom stop before this. Because it's definitely going to drop. It's getting very heavy. If we look down here on the buying pressure, it's kind of odd the way that this buying ramp was set up. So I think this is going to end up going red for us. It's going to be a red candle here. Let's see. Yep. Little bit of selling. About 10 minutes left on the stream. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. YouTube, make sure you hit the like and you can subscribe. I have been picking up more work now that I'm going out, so I try to get a couple of trades in before I go to work, but it's whatever. This one will not give us red, will it? It just looks strong. I'm gonna play it small. Let's see if it goes red. Can it break the 12s here? Can it hold those 12s? Thank you, Daniel B. It's not looking like it's going to hold up those 12s. 12s looking like a resistance area right there. Okay. Yep, 12 is a definite resistance for it. I want to see it fail this bottom real quick. 1140s. It's looking like the spot. Needs to fail that. Like it's picking up some strength. Can start holding the 95s. Uh-oh. Ooh, getting that rejection. That 12 is not playing any games with him. Let's see if he stays above the 75 here. 75 area. Breaking down the 80s, 76, 75 hit, bounced off the 75. I know people had orders right there. That was a quick 10 cents. Okay. Entry is the 1207 for a small share size, just to see if we can get a little bit more of a push. Oh, well, whoa. 15-minute looks like a head and shoulders. 15-minute right there, that looks like a head and shoulders. So I'm gonna leave this one alone. It's got way too much resistance on that. Yeah, I believe that's a head and shoulders. I may be wrong, but we'll see. I'd rather be wrong and not in it than be right and be in it. Yeah, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm gonna let it pull back. Let it pull back a little bit more. Okay, looks like it's trying to hold up above this little level here of the 1167. Trying hard, man. All right. Can it hold up the 75 here? I like it. Let's see. Maybe I was wrong about the head and shoulders. The high here is the 1210. So yeah, the 1211 is what I'm looking for on the bid. I'm gonna play small ball. Oh, was I wrong? This thing is looking real heavy. I'm not about to take this trade. This thing's looking so heavy, man. It's accumulating longs. People are entering for this next move up. It's about to pass them a nice blessing on the day. And I'm not willing to take it. So many shorts right here in this thing, man. Wow, they're getting pushed out. That's crazy. All right. Let's see if we can hit that 1211 here. 1202, 1205. Looking for the 1211 on the bid. It looks like a double top at the, nope, not exactly a double top, but still looking for the 1211. Did not pull the 1211 right there. Went up to the 1210, bounced off. This is why I said the 1211, because I knew that 1210 was going to be major resistance. So it is about to pass down a blessing. Get ready, boys. There's a miracle coming. And I don't think it, wow. A lot of buying pressure down there off of that 9 EMA. But that may be a fake. Somebody might have accidentally pressed the buy button right there. Alright, we got 5 minutes left on the stream. I'm going to go ahead and do the recap. Here's my trades for the day. Top one off of AFL was 99 cents in the profit, 97, 98, all the way down. I did take two losing trades, one on very small share size on ALF, 7 shares, 76 cents. Happens. That's, I think that's not even, that was almost $7, almost. And then the other one was on 1 share, 7 cents, AUUD. Just wasn't moving the way I liked it, so I sized down and traded it. ALF is being ridiculous right now. Okay, so given an entry point right there at the 1198, I'm interested at the 1215 if it can get up there. Small share size. 1215. Matter of fact, 1216. I want to see the 5 break. 1216 is what I'll be looking for. Does not seem like it can get back into the 12s. Yeah. $12.16. I'm gonna let this candle close. I'm not gonna, even if it goes to 12.16, it's just not worth it because it can snap down so fast with all these shorts in here. So I'm gonna let the shorts get set up for a squeeze. And I only got 3 minutes, so I'm shutting down. So may not even see it. You guys will probably take profit on it. I know Daniel B will. He's always ready. Okay. Looking interesting. Getting up there to that 12 and pushing off the 12 like that, that is not a good sign. Gotta break that 12. I want to see the 12.15s. 12.16. Why I keep saying 15? AEI pulling back up there. Hopefully by the time I finish work today, maybe it'll be back up to maybe the above the VWAP, possibly. That'll be nice. But the bottom here is the 552. All right. So entry position, high of the 12.16. Let's watch it close. I'm gonna do this quick trade and then I'm gonna leave, unless it fades here. If it goes below the 75, I'm definitely just gonna call it quits. All right, 75 got close. I don't care. Got too close. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to shut this down because I do not want to enter a trade and then be doing AEI all over again. Okay. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm shutting it down now. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow morning. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.